My name is Michael Lucas. This is my Jaguar XK140 SE. I interviewed several restoration shops, not just looked at websites and promotional material, but literally went and hung out, talked to them. And when I was at Ragtops and Roadsters, and I watched your technician make a door from flat piece of metal and just scraps of wood, I thought, this is a high level of expertise. This car is incredibly more complicated than anything that I've been involved with. And watching these craftsmen create the wood trim that goes around a curved window, watching craftsmen create a rain gutter, the craftsmanship is just amazing. I would highly recommend Ragtops and Roadsters.